Hey guys, Chris Grant here, and I want to share with you today how to use Flippin.it Pro, which is a Chrome extension that Chris Green has. It's inexpensive. I think it's $9.95 or $9.99 a month. And in my opinion, it's probably the best way to be able to do Amazon to Amazon flips. So where we're going to start today is Keepa with the daily drops. And I have mine set up so that I only see Amazon deals. I do want to see everything, so there's 334 drops in the past week. And then I have my ranges selected. So I have it set up so that I can see 40% up to 100% drops in prices. The price range is from 0 to 100 or over 100. And then the drop range, I'm not sure why that's at 400, but I'm going to go greater than 500. And then I also have it set so that I don't see anything with a sales rank over 200,000. I apply that filter, and then I have it sorted by percentage. And so for the last week, there's 337 that fit all of my filters. And what we're going to do here is, this looks like it could be interesting. I'd have to check this to see if I can sell it. But that one could be very interesting. But what I'm going to do, one of the ones I find really interesting today is this Ruby's costume. Now, there are a ton of really great YouTube videos with this particular kind of costume. Most of them are adult costumes, but I figured the child costume will sell pretty well also. And the first thing we're going to want to take a look at is the Keepa chart. We can see that Amazon does go out of stock on occasion. There are some price spikes in there. We can see that Amazon comes down on the price every now and again, but I don't see a price below what Amazon's currently selling it at. So we're going to go ahead and show this on Amazon. And then Flippin.it Pro is going to do several things for us. We're going to be able to see that Amazon sells for 3% higher than the marketplace when they're in stock. Now, of course, that's not the case right now. There's obviously some sort of deal going on at $16.48. And Amazon has an out-of-stock rate of 25% over the last 90 days. What we can see here is that right now, the current price is 66% lower than the 90-day average. Amazon is the current price versus the all-time lowest price is almost the same, and the rank is 304% down. So right now the rank is 37. The average rank over the last 90 days is 3571, which is excellent, and the highest rank back on March 7th was 116,000. And these are all things that you're going to want to take into consideration. We can look at the average price over the last 90 days, the average marketplace price over the last 90 days. We can see that the marketplace is typically less expensive than Amazon. And we can see what the highest prices were. Amazon had this at $57.98 on November the 26th, and the marketplace had it at $129.95. Back on March 9th. Now what we're able to do is this is automatically going to pull the buy price into here, and then it's going to show your sell price on Amazon of $49.06, and that takes into account the average Amazon price over the last 90 days. Now, one of the things that I would do is I can see that there is there's an Amazon seller over here for $46.01, so I might even go $46.01 and recalculate this. And I can see here that the payout's going to be $33.63 with the profit being $17.15, which is actually over 100% return on your investment. Now, if I take this from A to Z new, Amazon to new, it's going to take the Amazon buy price, and then it's going to pull in the last 90-day average marketplace price of $47.49, so you can kind of see where you're going to be figuring out what your price is. Just the more information, the better. Now what you can do is you can see what the monthly estimated sales are, and this is something you have to figure out on your own. The current sales rank at 37, this thing's selling like hotcakes, so I would probably leave that blank, but I would see here at 35.71. See, this says 94, so let's cut that in a third. Let's say this sells 30 a month. And so what I can see is if I'm able to sell 30 in a month, I could make $514.50. Now, I'm probably not going to be able to sell 30 of them in a month because there are 18 other new sellers. And there's a couple that are, could vie for the buy box here, but probably not all of them are vying for the buy box. Now, the other really cool thing that Flippin.it Pro does is, can I sell it? This will have you log into your Amazon account, so it doesn't actually pull information. You don't have to give it the MWS keys or anything like that, and you can then actually see that you can sell this account. I can list it as new collectible, or new and collectible, sorry. I'm not able to sell this as refurbished or used because I'm guessing that this is in the clothing category. Let's take a look here. For some reason I'm not seeing it. Well, that's okay. My guess is, no, actually it's in toys and games. But this particular item, they have it so that I cannot sell it refurbished or used, which is fine. So, this is how Flippin.it Pro works. And let's go take a look at one more, just to see what it looks like on something that I might be restricted in. Open this up here. Got a pretty high rank. It's come down in price quite a bit. Then it spiked. Let's go ahead and take a look at this on Amazon. So it looks like Amazon has one left in stock. Okay, the average price over the last 90 days is $126.50, and the current price is $21.23. They've only got one left in stock. This is obviously in the software, and the average rank is 76,409, so it's probably a little bit higher than what I'd normally sell. But we can see that there is a profit there if it did sell at $126.50, and we can see that I can actually sell it. So this gives you everything you really need to know to be able to decide whether something is a good Amazon to Amazon flip, and it is nice and inexpensive at, actually let's find out for sure. The URL is Flippin.it/pro, and it is $9.99 a month. It's a Chrome extension. It's lightweight. You can actually, it's right up here. You can actually hide it in your Chrome menu, and it will still work. It takes just a second to load here. And show you everything you need. So if you guys have any questions at all, please leave them in the comments. I'll be happy to walk you through it with a more in-depth video, but that's really about all it is. You're going to need to know how to use Keepa, the daily deals. You could also take a look at Camel in case Keepa happens to miss something. Have Flippin.it Pro, and you'll be able to do flips like Chris Green does. So hope this helps, and appreciate you guys watching. Have a great one.